Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing another DIY I tried style video. Came suggested by some of my friends, so shout out to Kim and Katie, love you guys. So yeah, we're going to do bleach tie-dye today. Everyone's wearing tie-dye right now, everyone's buying tie-dye. Tie-dye is like the thing of the moment when it comes to loungewear, and so we're gonna make our own. Yeah, so what's gonna make this video a bit different is we're gonna do it with toilet bowl cleaner. Yes, that's right, toilet bowl cleaner. People are talking about this. I've heard about it, seen a little bit on the internet, and apparently it's all over TikTok. But we're just gonna try for ourselves, so let's go ahead and give it a go. Okay, so what you're gonna need for this is gonna be some gloves to protect your skin and hands from the bleach. Obviously, toilet bowl cleaner, as I mentioned before. I just got this Clorox one from Target. Bleach is kind of impossible to find right now, so I luckily got that one in a 2-pack. Links below, obviously. Then we're gonna need some rubber bands. I only had a few, so I also used a shoelace for the other garment that I'll be tie-dyeing. And then lastly, you're gonna need the garment that you wanna tie-dye. So in addition to that sweatshirt over there, we're gonna be doing this like pink, just t-shirt. Fun. Okay, first thing, you're gonna lay out the garment that you're going to dye. And I just usually take it from the center and twist just clockwise or counterclockwise, whatever's easiest for you. And then when you can't twist anymore, I take the excess material and just kind of wrap it into a bunch and going in the same direction as the swirl I made. And then I'll show you from the top. So this is what it looks like. And after that, I'm gonna take my rubber bands and I'm just gonna slide them around the t-shirt. It doesn't really have to be perfect because you're gonna tie-dye it anyway and you don't really tell as much of the pattern, but just try to keep as much as the swirl as you can. And so I had one rubber band going vertical, one horizontal, and then just one that crosses through the center of the X. And just making sure that I'm getting that excess material wrapped into that swirl. Cool. You can totally use more rubber bands if you want, or fewer. It just kind of depends what kind of style tie-dye you're going for. There are tons of other ways to wrap your t-shirt for this, but this is just the way that I'm going to do it. Whew. So swiveling around to our sink area. Next we're just gonna wet both the t-shirt and the sweatshirt in here. I'm just gonna plop them down in the sink like this. And wet them. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that this is just gonna help make sure that the bleach doesn't eat through the t-shirt or the sweatshirt. You can also do this step before you twist it, but I just figured it'd be easier to work with a dry material when twisting my garments. So this is what we got. I'm just gonna squeeze out a little bit of the excess water. Boom. Next, we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna put on our gloves. There are tons of different kinds of at-home cleaning gloves or just like medical gloves. Maybe stick to cleaning gloves these days just because, you know, the world's running short on the other kind. Really just anything to protect your hands from the bleach. Alright, so we got our bleach. I took off that safety wrapping just there and you're just going to twist it open. And then you're just going to start pouring it onto the garment as you wish. Woohoo! Get it all up in there. What I'm gonna do next is I'm just gonna massage it in, and that's another reason we're wearing our gloves, like you don't want to be touching toilet bowl cleaner directly to your hands. Yeah, so just massage it in there, make sure it's getting into the crevices. That looks cool, pink and blue, but it will not end up that color, unfortunately. All right, over here, this material is a little bit thicker, so it might take a little bit more product. Just keep massaging it in there. And then I'm gonna flip it over and get the inside. Slide over and do the same. And I do want to point out why I'm doing this, that it's probably better that you do it in a ventilated space. I'm in my kitchen, which has a balcony, so we just have the door open. Or you can do it in a garage, outside is probably best, and then you can just bring it back inside to wash when it's ready. Alright. I'm starting to see some results, especially on the pink one. All right, there we go. Hey. So now we're just gonna wait about 15 minutes to see how these turn out. Setting a 15-minute timer here. Boop. And then if we don't like how they look at 15 minutes, you can always let them sit for a little bit longer. So till then. Okay. Our 15 minutes is up. Let's check it out. Holy cow. Oh my gosh, this one's cute. But honestly, I don't think it's gonna look anything like that when I wash it. Oh my god, I'm not sure if that's cool or really gross. Ooh, okay. Let's flip it over. Let me put on my glove. Okay. Okay, this one I think will definitely be ready to wash. This one, I guess we'll just wash it. Oh my god. This was a blue sweatshirt, so I'm kind of surprised it turned brown. Alright, this one, yeah. Definitely think we can call it on this bad boy. Let's see. Oh my god. What? Okay, cool. Let's see about this one. Okay, this one is less bleached, but I kind of am vibing on this. Hi, how are ya, as they say. Okay, cool, cool. Okay, we're gonna go over. To the washing machine. All right. Toss them in there. Okay. All right, so now we just wash it, I'm pretty sure. If we're being honest, I did not read any directions on how to do this before. I'm just going off prior knowledge. So we're gonna put a lid. Wait, am I even supposed to wash it with soap? Alright guys, we're gonna do just like a cool wash. I'm gonna do quick wash, cold water, high spin, extra light soil. We don't want... Alright, 32 minutes and then we'll dry this sucker. We'll see how it turned out. All right, we're back and I'm wearing the Bleach tie-dye sweatshirt right now. I'll set it up so you guys can see it. Full view. Let's see here. All right, well, there you have it. That was our DIY bleach tie-dye. I'm gonna end this video off right here, and you know what they say, like, comment, subscribe, share, the whole thing. Yeah, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.